Okay, here is the box I've been waiting for. FedEx just showed up just a little bit ago. It's marked, oh my God, come on, you get up here. It's marked Fragile on it. And no, Chubby, you can't get in my lap. This thing's way too big. Well, we shall see. If I don't cut myself. Ugh. It's a very nice, solid packed box. At least, looks like a very professional job. Now, the other one I got the other day was not quite as professional looking, but it definitely survived just fine. So. There we go. Took me a long time to open too, the other one. There. Now, of course, we got the little beanies. So, this is going to be a mess. And it's bubble wrapped. Over that, I can see the radio. Okay, so I'm going to pull this out of the box. There we go. And it is heavy. It is not light. I think the other one weighed like 16 pounds. This is probably double that. Oh, wow. That is really in there. Right with my hand around it. Get inside. And these things just keep popping. Okay. Now they got underneath it. There you go. And you can see what we have. A big mess. But it's a big radio. It's not small. This is not a tabletop model. This was made in 1924. It is a very rare radio. Not that many of these were made compared to places like Atwater Kent and all that. This was not one of the normal companies. This was called Dayton Fan and Motor Company. And as you might guess, they were a supplier of fans and fan motors and all kinds of other stuff. Well, I can see the wood. The wood looks nice. Make sure I don't scratch it. Don't dare cut too far. Just barely touching the surface here. Okay. I think that'll do it. Now I'll do it by hand. Oh. Yeah, if I've gone too deep, I would have scratched this really nice looking cabinet. Looks to me it was packed so well, nothing is broken. There we go. And if you look at the back first, look at the back down below here, and off to one side, that's the power connection off to one side with all the connections. Then off to the other side, you'll see the that's for the ground and antenna, those big connections there. Now, I'll show you the front part of the radio. And it's really super nice shape. And there it is. About as nice as you can get for a radio made 1924, which actually is the same year my dad was born, 1924. Dad died September 26, 2003, so been gone for quite a while now. And yeah, we've stuffed the inside with newspaper, luckily. Let's see what we got. A lot of stuff. Yeah. Okay. And oh my. Yeah. Okay, we have oh, I see. There's a coil down there too. All right, so here we go. There you go. That's what it looks like inside. And there's the 4 tubes. This is a tuned radio frequency radio. It is quite heavy. And I don't think those are the correct tubes. Let me see here. Well, but they're already in there. I want to tell you, I'm not loose. Okay. Wow. Those are some of the tightest tubes I've ever seen in my life. Well, it'll take a while to get those out of there. I see one's actually wobbling. But it looks like it is really nice. Oh, I see one wire broke off from the connection here. And I see where that goes. That was the one that went to the ground. Okay. So that's a ground connection. He says, oh, there was a wire broken off. Yeah, well, it's broken off. But it has a clip here to hold the wire in. So it really didn't break. It just came out of the clip. So, anyway, there it is again. And it's come here in one piece. And it's in really nice shape. So I don't really need to restore it. All I need to do is figure out how to get power to it and make sure the tubes are, the right tubes are in it. And there you are. And that's what we got for today. And that'll be it for now. I got a mess to clean up.